Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muntasir Rahman Farkin. I hope that all you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the first video of our YouTube channel. We are making videos for those brothers, sisters and children who are very curious about science and mathematics. Uh, by watching these videos, you can make some ideas about science and mathematics. We will try from heart and soul that you will be satisfied at our video. So let's go to the intro, then see the video. Okay, now we are in the video. So what I have said before, welcome to our channel. So let's see the first page. So today's topic of our video is cell. So what is cell? Cell are the basic building blocks of all living things. I can give you a very easy example that when you make buildings you need bricks. So like the brick, the cells are the building blocks of our body that gives us a shape. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. Trillions means which takes the place after a billion. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Cells have many parts, each with a different function. So from this page we understand the introduction of cells. So I say in a brief that cell means basic building blocks, means like the bricks which gives the shape of the building. That's like the cells gives us the shape of our body. So let's see the second page. Okay, the second page is who discovered cell. So in the left side picture you can see the ancient microscope, and the right side picture you can see engineer Robert Hooke, who has discovered the cell first. So this is a short story, and I have mentioned in this para. The discovery of the cell has been far more important for science than Hooke could ever dreamed in 1665. It gives us an understanding of the building blocks of all living organisms. It has also led to advanced medical technology and treatment. Today, scientists are working on personalized medicine, which would allow us to grow system cells from our very own cells and then use them to understand diseases process. All of this and more grew from a single observation of the cell in a cork. So just like I tell you in a brief that cell has been discovered at 1665. It was founded by Robert Hooke. The cell was found dead in a cork. So when anyone asks you a question that yes, Robert Hooke has found cell in a cork, but is the cell is alive or dead? You obviously say the dead cell. Okay, so let's see the third page. So in the third page, classification of cell. Cell fall into one of two broad categories: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So what is prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Prokaryotic is primitive cells more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means more than one, not one, more than one. And the eukaryotic means true cell. The single cell organisms of the domains bacteria and archaea are classified as prokaryotes. Here pro means the word pro comes from before, and the word nucleus is come from karyons. That in the combination of before and nucleus, it means the word prokaryota. Okay, animal cells, plant cells, fungi, and the protists are eukaryotes. Here, U means true, and you have known what is karyon. Karyon means nucleus, means true nucleus. So let's see. As the noun, the difference between phylogeny and classification is that phylogeny is systematics, the evolutionary history of groups of organisms such as species or clades, while classification is the act of forming into a class or classes, a distribution into groups as classes, order, families, etc., according to some common relation or attributes. Okay, so this is the main classification, means it is the description of cell. So let's see the fourth page. Okay, it is the page of the structure of cell division. If you can understand this speech, like our body has some parts like finger, eyes, nose, head, etc., etc., like fingers, legs. Just like that, cells have nucleus, aster, spindle fiber, cell membrane, duplicate chromosome, centrioles, etc. That's like our body. So let's see the last page. Sorry, not the last page, the sixth page. Okay, what do we get from cells? In the first para, it is the definition of the cell, what we have learned before. So we will only read the points. Means all living things are made up of cells. Cells are made up of protein and organelles. Groups of cells form tissues and systems. The main purpose of a cell is to organize. The longest cells in the human body are the motor neurons. So what is the longest cells in the human body? Are the motor neurons. So if anyone asks you what is the longest cell of human body, obviously you have to say the motor neurons. So red blood cells, the next one, the red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. What is red blood cell? Means RBC. Our body has 2 or 3 types of blood cells. I know 2 blood cells. One is a WBC and another one is RBC. WBC means white blood cell and RBC means red blood cell. So red blood cells helps us to carry oxygen around the body. If we do not have red blood cell, we will die and we cannot breathe or can take oxygen. So now we can see the last page. Okay, so in the last page, what is the summary and the conclusion of cell? In biology, language, or translation, the pronunciation of the cell is cell. But when we say cell, it is the meaning of cell, cell. So in biology, the smallest unit that can live on its own, that makes up all organisms and the tissues of body, a cell has 3 main parts. You have to note that a cell has 3 main parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. The cell membrane surrounds the cell and controls the substance that go into and out of the cell. So let's see the conclusion. Cells are the smallest common denominator of life. Some cells are organisms into themselves. Others are part of multicellular organism. Multi means as like it's primitive, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All the cells are made from the same major classes of organic molecules: nucleic acid, protein, carbohydrates, and lipids. So lipids means fat. So that's all for today. I hope that all you have enjoyed the video. If there is any lackings in my video, please comment me, so I will try to correct my lackings and I will try to solve it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So everyone, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.